सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः। Welcome to 268th class today, 17th of March, and we've been practicing Chit Chana. Chit is more frequently used than Chana, but Chana can also be used, Api also can be used. As we go down, we'll see the other usages as well. So in the previous class, we have done Abhyasa 248 Srinivas, and some more. Not only Chit Chana are used with Kim interrogative pronoun, but it is also used with some avyayas. Kutra chit, kada chit, kutas chit, kathams chit, kati chit. So these usages also we have studied yesterday and today, and a note also is provided in the book. Uparitana vakyeshu kutra chit, kada chit, etc. I have already explained, are used with these katham, kada, and kati, the avyayas. And today's abhyasa, Srinivas flashing at us, is 249. Ekona chatvarimshaduttara dvishatatamaha abhyasaha adya karaniyaha. It's very lengthy to say in Sanskrit. Ekona panchashaduttara dvishatatamaha abhyasaha. 249th. We come from right to left in counting, whereas in English we go 249. Abhyasa. Atra kutrachit, kadachit, kutaschit, katamschit, katichit ityeteshu samuchitam padam riktasthane likata. Now you fill in the blanket with the either of the words. Either you take kutrachit, kadachit, kutaschit, kathamchit and katichit, etc. And with the examples in sentence form, it is given a short one, 19 sentences. We go here, Srinivas. Agre saramaha udaharana katichit. Udaharana itself, sentence has udaharanani. Katichit udaharanani aham likhami. You know, udaharana shabda is napumsakalinga shabda, akaranta. Udaharanam vanam vane vanani, vanam vane vanani, like udaharanani aham likami. Katichit means few. Kati means interrogative, how many. Now you say kati udaharanani aham likami. If you say how many examples I write, katichit udaharanani aham likami means I will write few examples. Few. One, Srinivas.
Dash mata matula gruham yasyati.
Which one you pick up? 40, that from the above given, na? Which one you think is correct? Whether kutrachit comes or kadachit comes or kutaschit comes, kathamchit comes or kaschit, what do you think? Katichit comes. Can be there, yes. Kadachit, yes. Kadachit, no, katichit is not correct. Kutaschit can be there, but the answer book is kadachit. Kadachit sometime. Sometime mother yasyati will go to matula gruham, matulasya gruham, to maternal uncle's home. Kadachit. Kada, now if you take out chit for a moment, kada mata matula gruham yasyati. When will mother go to maternal uncle's house? That will become interrogative. When you say, open the sentence with kada, avyaya. If you add chit to that, kadachit mata matula gruham yasyati gamishyati. Yasyati nama gamishyati, will go. When sometime mother will go to uncle's home. Right? Is it clear? No? Kadachit. 2. Putrasya krute dash kridanakam kretavyam. Means for the sake of the son, toy should be bought. Kretavyam should be what? Kridanakam kretavyam.
Katichit Krida.
No, kati means few. Katichit means few. See, the toy has to be bought from somewhere. So what is somewhere here? Kutaschit. Yes.
Just want to know the meanings first. Kutrachit, Kadachit.
Some kutrachit and kutaschit from kutra means where. Kutrachit means somewhere. It means same almost. Kadachit sometime. Kutaschit means from some place, again somewhere. Kutaschit and I think replaceable. Kutrachit. Kutra, where. Kutaha, where from. Base meanings if you look at kutra, kutra gacchati bhavan. Where are you going? Kutaha gacchati you don't say. Kutaha agacchati. Where are you coming from? The difference between kutra and kutaha is this. Kutra is where. Kutaha is where from. So kutrachit means somewhere. Kutaschit from somewhere. The sense of from somewhere comes. Katamschit means somehow. Somehow. Like yesterday I told you, katham means how. Katham janati. How does he know? Kathamschit. Somehow. And what else is there? Katichit means few. Kati means how many. First you should know the base meaning. Kati means how many. Kati pustakani, kati rupyakani, kati puranani, kati chit. It can be used. Some, few. Over, na?
Kadachit is?
Sometime. Kada means when. Kada agachati. When. So kadachit means sometime. So putrasya krute kutaschit kridanakam kretavyam. From somewhere. A toy must be bought from somewhere for the sake of the son. From somewhere. Kutaschit. 3 dash.
Dash Vayam Dehalim Gamishyamaha.
Vayam Dehalim Gamishyamaha. Dehali Nagaram Gamishyamaha. Nagarim Gamishyamaha.
Kadachit Vayam Dehalim.
So sometime we will go to Delhi. So Kadachit Vayam Dehalim Gamishyamaha. Yasyamaha. See, the other verb is used here, yasyati. Yasyamaha. If you use in the place of Gamishyamaha, yasyamaha. Fine. Kadachit. 4.
Dash Dinani Grame Yapayitavyadi.
Dinani Grame.
Dinani. Katichit Dinani.
Katichit. No, Kati is a number wise.
Sorry?
Katichit means few. It refers to countables, but unspecified countables.
Yapayitavyadi.
Now, few days here, Kati cannot use. Kanichit. Kanichit. Dinani. If you say Katichit Dinani, Katichit refers to only countables. Katichit Pustakani, Katichit Manushyaha, Katichit Mahilaha. But Dinani is not countable, na? There are something like countables and countables.
But Kanichit is not given also in the only Kutrachit, Kadachit.
But that fellow has given Kani. So, okay.
What is the meaning of Kanichit?
Kani is Kim Shabda Kani. Chit. Kim Shabda, Kim Ke Kani. Few. Kim Ke Kani. Adjectival to Dinani. Kani Chit Dinani. He has given Kani Chit, but in case you take Katichit is not that. Kati means how many, Srinivas? Katichit means few. You can say Srinivas. Katichit Dinani. Katichit Rupya, Kati Rupya Kani Katichit. Kanichit. I think both can be used.
Like first Udaharana is given. So Katichit Udaharana.
Yeah, Katichit, that's it. Udaharanani. Dinani. We can take kadichit, no problem. Kada kanichit also sounds plausible, acceptable. Okay. Okay. 5.
Dash adya vrishtihi bhavet.
So here only you need to use second one kadachit. Kadachit adya vrishtihi bhavet. There is a probable sentence. This is sometime today adya vrishtihi bhavet, varsham bhavet. There may be rain sometime today, maybe, or sometimes it is used potential in future tense. There will be rain. Sometime there will be rain today. There may be, most probably. Probability we use bhavet. Vrishtihi nama varsham. Adya avyaya. 6.
Dash bhavantaha etat karyam sadhayantu.
Somehow or other. So katham schit you have to use. Correct. Katham schit bhavantaha etat karyam sadhayantu means you all do this work, complete this work somehow. Katham schit bhavantaha you all etat karyam samapayan sadhayantu. You achieve this work, complete this work somehow. So katham means how. Yesterday, this one was I was stressing. Katham means how. Katham schit means somehow. Somehow. Somehow katham schit nama yena kena prakarena. Yena kena prakarena bhavantaha etat karyam sadhayantu iti. Bhavantaha is plural, you know, bhavan, bhavanto, bhavantaha. Yes, 7. Dash mahan kolahala. You have to pick the first one, kutrachit. Kutrachit, yaha, yesterday, kutrachit somewhere. Kutra means where. Kutrachit means somewhere. Yaha kutrachit mahan kolahala bhavat. Yesterday there was a great trouble somewhere. There was a great trouble yesterday somewhere. Where we don't know. So kutrachit. Kutra kolahalaha abhavat vayam na gnayate. Kidrusha kola mahan kola. Mahan is an adjective for kolahala shabda. Kolahala means that very popular word in Indian languages. Kolahala. Kolahala means turmoil, trouble. So mahat shabda used as an adjective, pullinga adjective for pullinga kolahala shabda. And mahat will be derived like mahan. Bhavan shabda. Mahan, mahantau, mahantaha. So abhavat, you know, regular. Bhavati, past tense, abhavat. Kolahalaha abhavat. Yaha kutrachit. Right. 8.
Bharatiyaha kridakaha dash vipakshadalam
jayeyuhu. So this is again jayeyuhu is potential mode verb. Jayet, jayetam, jayeyuhu. Wishing. In wishing also we use potential. Bharatiyaha kridakaha. Indian players. What do you think? Katham chit. Somehow katham chit. Katham chit. Jay should win over the opposite. Vipakshadalam. Yes, opposition. Opposition. Opposite, what do you say? Team. That's dalam means team. Yes. Indian players should somehow win over the opposite team. Vipakshadalam. Now, as the world cricket is going on now, World Cup. So this sentence becomes relevant. Bharatiyaha cricket kridakaha katham chit vipakshadalam Bangladesha vipakshadalam jayeyuhu. Yes, 9.
Vaideshikaha dash varshani bharatena shashanam krutavantaha.
So Vaideshikaha foreigners, varshani. Now we are referring to years. Katichit. Katichit varshani, few years. Bharate shasanam krutavantaha. Why few years? Dvishata वर्षाणि यावत् वैदेशिकाः 200 वर्षाणि यावत् भारते शासनं कृतवन्तः. They ruled for 200 solid years. If you, that is only British rule. If you take the Mughal rule, it goes 1000 years. So वैदेशिकाः कतिचित् वर्षाणि भारते शासनं कृतवन्तः. Foreigners ruled in India few years. कतिचित् वर्षाणि. Very okay. 10. अहम
प्रेक्षालयं न गतवान्.
प्रेक्षालयम, auditorium or a cinema theater, something. Prekshalayam. Prekshakanam alayam. What is intended, we don't know. Aham kadachit prekshalayam nagada. I did not go to the theater anytime. Theater. Or some auditorium. Prekshakanam alayam. Prekshalayam. 11. Kadachit. Aham kadachit. Right. 11. Buddhaha Krushi Kshetram Gacchati. An old man goes to the farm fields. Krushi Kshetram means the fields. Somehow, Katham Chit. Katham Chit Krushi Kshetram Gacchati. Because he is old, Yataha Saha Vriddaha Ataha Saha Katham Chit Krushi Kshetram Gacchati. Somehow he goes to the farm, I mean the agriculture land. Krushi Kshetra means the land of agriculture. 12.
Mahilaah kopashilaah bhavanti.
Mahilaah katichit, you can take. Katichit mahilaah katichit kopashilaah bhavanti. Some women are angry. Some women are prone to be angry. Kopashilaah, suppose prone to be angry. Kopashilaah. Some women, katichit. 13, Srinivas.
Chhatraah parikshayam uttirnaah bhavanti.
The only appropriate is katham chit. Somehow the students will become successful in the examination. Chhatraah, the students, katham chit, somehow, parikshayam, in the examination, uttirnaah, pass, bhavanti, become pass, get through. In other words, somehow the students get through in the examination. Parikshayam uttirnaah bhavanti. 14.
Bhavantah dash Mumbai nagarim gatavantam va.
Gatavantah va. Bhavantah gatavantah. You see the agreement. Bhavantah gatavantah. Bhavan gatavan. Bhavantau gatavantau. Bhavantah gatavantah. This is tavatu participle. We have studied that. Bhavantah kadachit Mumbai nagaram. Whatever way you say, that is a word. Mumbai nagaram. E y dirgha here. Mumbai nagaram. Gatavantah va. Did you ever sometime go to Mumbai? Did you sometime go to Mumbai? Did you all go to Mumbai sometime? 15.
Sarve dash Rashtrakaryam kuryuhu.
Sarve Rashtrakaryam Deshakaryam kuryu. All must do the job of the country, national work. Rashtrakaryam, national work. Katham schit. Somehow all should do the national work. Rashtrakaryam kuryuhu. Kuryuhu is also Srinivas potential mood. Kuryat, kuryatam, kuryuhu. Kuryat, kuryatam. Kuru dhatu, dukruhi karane. So, sarve kadabchit rashtrakaryam kuryuhu. Deshakaryam kuryuhu. Sarve is plural, you know, sarva shabda pronoun. Sarvaha, sarvahu, sarve. 16.
Bhrataraha dash tishtanti.
Bhrataraha, bhratru shabda rikaranta. Bhrata, bhratarau, bhrataraha. Tishtanti, brothers are staying. Kutrachit, somewhere. Brothers are staying somewhere. 17. Naukaha.
Naukaha dash nadim taranti.
Here kamchit, you have to take kamchid. Kamchid nadim, kamchit nadim taranti. boats are crossing some river. Here taranti means crossing. When it is used for human beings, it is swimming, Srinivas. Taranam, swimming it becomes. But we can't translate boats swim the river. Boats cross over some river. Kamchit Nadim Taranti. 18 Nagare
dash sabha bhavet.
Kutrachit, somewhere, some point. Nagare kutrachit sabha bhavet. Meeting may be there in city somewhere. Meeting may be there somewhere in the city. And the last one, 19.
Bhavantaha dash masan samskrutam pathantu.
Bhavantaha katichit masan samskrutam pathantu. So at the end, advice given to Sanskrit learners, Bhavantaha katichit masan samskrutam pathantu. You all read, may you all read for some months Sanskrit. May you all read Sanskrit for some months. Katichit masan. Masan understood is yavat, till some months. So, need to write?
Yes, sir.
You can tell me, I will write. Fast. 19. Which one I should take? Anyone?
Yeah.
Exercise numbers, Srinivas?
249.
One.
Dash mata matula graham yasyati.
What is the answer? Kadachit.
Kadachit is.
Sometime. Kadachit means sometime. Mata matula graham yasyati. Yes, 2.
Putrasya krute dash kridanakam kretavyam.
Putrasya krute kutaschit.
Kutaschit.
Three.
Dash vayam dehalim gamishyamah.
Dehalim Gamisham. What is it? Kadachit?
Answer is kasit.
No.
Kadachit.
Kadachit. Sometime. Kadachit Gamisham. 4.
Dash dinani grami yapai
Tavyani. Katichit, we will write both.
Dash adya vrushtah bhavet kadachit.
Kadachit. Vrishtihi. Next.
Dash bhavantah etat karyam sadhayentu
Katamchit. Opening dash.
Yes, sir. Katamchit bhavantah.
7.
Yaha dash mahan kolahalah abhavat uttarachit.
Yaha Mahan. Where is dash?
After yaha uttarachit.
Okay. Right. 8.
Bharatiyaha kridakaha dash vipakshadaram jeyuhu
Katamchit.
katamchit. वैदेशिकाः डैश वर्षाणि भारते शासनं कृतवन्तः
Katichit.
अहं डैश प्रेक्षालय न गतवान्
Kadapi.
कदाचित्
Kadachit.
बुद्धः डैश कृषिक्षेत्रं गच्छति कथंचित्
कथंचित् 12
महिलाः डैश कोपशीलाः भवन्ति कतिचित्
13
छात्राः डैश परीक्षायाम् उत्तीर्णाः भवन्ति
कथंचित् 14
भवन्तः डैश मुम्बईनगरीं गतवन्तः वा कदाचित्
मुम्बईनगरं कदाचित् 15
सर्वे डैश राष्ट्रकार्यं कुर्युः कथंचित्
सर्वे कथं कुर्युः 16
भ्रातरः डैश तिष्ठन्ति कुत्रचित्
भ्रातरः कुत्रचित् तिष्ठन्ति yes next 18 oh sorry 17
नौकाः डैश नदीं चलन्ति
कांश्चित् नौकाः कांचित्
नगरे डैश सभा भवेत्
कुत्रचित्
19 भवन्तः डैश मासां संस्कृतं पठन्तु कतिचित्
और मुख्य एवं 1950तम अभ्यासः अपि समाप्तः भवति वयं 50-द्विशततम अभ्यासम् इदानीं पश्यामः कुर्मः च कोष्ठकस्थितानां दोषयुक्तरूपाणां स्थाने शुद्धरूपाणि लिखत ओके बिफोर दैट विल गिव सम टाइम कदाचित् कुतश्चित् कदाचित् कतिचित् कानिचित् ओह कानिचित् मिस्टेक इज डन कदाचित् कथंचित् कुत्रचित् कथंचित् कतिचित् कदाचित् कथंचित् कतिचित् mostly they are repeated. I have not put the nasal sound here. Anuswar I have put for that nya, that is accepted, therefore we are going with that. So Srinivas, what is there here? Again, write the correct forms given in the bracket, from the words given in the bracket. Wrong forms are given. What is the first one? This very bold crossing is there. Crossing is not with. So you go by the noun here. Balakena saha aham agacham. I went with the boy, along with the boy. Kenachit. So the book has given the answer. Kenachit balakena saha. With some boy I went. That's all. Where you went is not given. Kenachit balakena saha, along with some boy, aham agacham, agacham, I came with some boy. This is not agacham, Srinivas, agacham, agatavan. If you take kenachit balakena saha, aham agatavan.
Is there any word by agacham also?
What is that?
Agacham is also there.
Agacham is I went. Gachami agacham. Agachami agacham. This is the lang lakara of agachami. Agachami is coming. I come. Aham pratidinam dvadashavadane agachami. Gatadine trivadane agacham. I came at 3 o'clock yesterday. Agacham means I came. Agacham means I went. So what's the difference? Upasarga is there, na? Plus past tense making savanadhirasandhi. Only. Agacham. Agachat. Ramaha vanam gruhat. Why Ramaha? Sureshaha vidyalayat gruham agachat. Suresh came home from the school. Agachat. Sureshaha pratah navavadane vidyalayam agachat. Okay? Went to school in the morning, 9 o'clock. Okay. 1.
Dash balikaya
Uttarani likitani. So Balika Shabda is Strilinga Shabda. So you have to not Kenachit is given here. That is wrong. You have to use the Trutiya of Kim Shabda. What is Kim Shabda Trutiya? Ka, ke, kaha. Kam, ke, kaha. Kaya. Kayachit. Kayachit balikaya uttarani likitani. The answers are written by some girl. Some girl. Yeah.
Number 2. Dash yatri trichakrikaya agachat.
Now here you find that verb agachat. Yatri trichakrikaya agachat. Yatri is pullinga shabda, Srinivas. Yatrin shabda. Yatri, yatrinam, yatrinaha. Some tourist, it means, went by tricycle. Kaschit yatri trichakrikaya agachat. Some tourist went by tricycle. Trichakrika means not bicycle, tricycle, rickshaw. Auto rickshaw. That is intended here. Trichakrika. What has 3 wheels here? 3 means 3 in English. Chakra is Trini chakrani. Yasyaha sa trichakrika. A tricycle it is. It could be an auto rickshaw, an auto containing 3 wheels. So kaschit, you are right. Kaschit yatri. Kopi yatri. Kaschana yatri. Trichakrika. And since Trichakrika is Strilinga Shabda, we have put it in Trutiya Ekavachana. Trichakrikaya agachat. Fine. 3.
Dash vruddhaye bhojanam datavyam.
Okay. Here Vruddha Shabda is there. Vruddha, Strilinga. Not Vruddhaya. If it were Pullinga, it would have been Vruddhaya for an old man. Vruddhayai for an old woman. Bhojanam datavyam. Food should be given to a old lady. So what we take again? Strilinga Kim Shabda. Srinivas.
Yes, sir.
So kasyai chit vruddhayai bhojanam datavyam. So for some old woman, food should be given. Food should be given to some old woman. 4.
Dash nadyam tirthayatranihi snanti.
Yes, dash nadyam tirthayatrinah snanti. Tirthayatrinah means pilgrims. Pilgrims. Tirthayatri, tirthayatrinau, tirthayatrinah. Pilgrims snanti. Snanam kurvanti. Snati, snatah, snanti. This is the Adadigana, second. Well, we are not going to detail anyway, not necessary. Snanti means snanam kurvanti, are taking bath. Who are taking? Tirthayatrinah. Where are they taking? Kasyam chit nadyam. Kasyam chit nadyam. Nadi shabda is ikaranta strilinga shabda. Saptami ekavachana. So put some river. In some river the pilgrims are taking bath. Kasyam chit nadyam tirtha यात्रिणः स्नान्ति. Fine. 5.
dash अभिनेतुः अभिनयं पश्यामः.
Abhinetuhu abhinayam pashyamah. We are seeing the acting of some actor. Kasyachit abhinetuhu. Abhinetuhu is Shashti Ekavachana. So put Kim Shabda Kasyachit. We don't know who the actor is. Kasyachit abhinetuhu abhinayam pashyamaha vayam. Understood. So we are watching the acting of some actor. And 6 goes dash.
dash पुस्तकं पठतु भवति.
So pustakam is Napumsaka, Srinivas. Therefore, what do you prefer here? Kim? Read some book. Kinchit pustakam kimchit pustakam patatu bhavati. You please, lady, read some book. You please read some book. It means that kinchit pustakam patatu bhavati. 7.
dash छात्रं अत्र आह्वयतु.
Kamchit chhatram atra ahvayatu. Call some student here. Kamchit chhatram atra here ahvayatu. Invite or call. Invite some or call some student here. 8. Dash.
अरण्येषु चन्दनतरवः भवन्ति.
So aranyeshu is saptami bahuvachana. So kim shabda? Keshuchit. Keshuchit aranyeshu chandana taravaha bhavanti. Here is taru shabda used, Srinivas. Taruhu taru taravaha. Chandana taravaha. Sandalwood trees are there in some forests, not in every forest. Keshuchit, the answer is Keshuchit aranyeshu chandana taravaha. You can replace taru shabda with vriksha shabda. Then what will be the form? Vrikshaha, chandana vrikshaha. Chandana vrikshaha bhavanti are there. Keshuchit is the answer. Sorry, 9.
dash छात्राभिः नृत्यं प्रदर्श्यते.
Chhatra shabda is strilinga shabda here. Chhatrabihi nrutyam pradarsyati. Dance is exhibited by some girl students.
काभिचित्
Kabhischit. Kabhihi plus chit. Kabhihi chit chhatrabihi nrutyam pradarsyate. This is a sentence in passive construction. Note it, please. Nrutyam pradarsyate. Dance is exhibited. Chhatrabihi, kabhihi, chhatrabihi, by few girl students. 10. Dash.
dash कलाशालासु
Shalasu
संस्कृतं
pathyate.
कासु
Kasu chit. Chit you are forgetting. Kasu chit kalashalasu samskritam pathyate. In some schools Sanskrit is taught, not all school. Sarvasu kalashalasu samskritam na pathyate. Kasu chit eva patashalasu samskritam pathyate. In few schools, in some schools, Sanskrit is taught. Pathyate is here. Not pathyate, is studied, is taught. Yes. 11.
dash कान्ता गृहे वसति.
Very simple. Kachit. Mahila Kanta. Kanta Shabda. Some young lady is staying in house. Kachit Kanta. Okay. 12.
dash गायिकाः गीतं गास्यन्ति.
Some dash, that is some we have to take. Going with Naika Strilinga. Ka, Ke, Kaha Chit. Kaschit. Gayikaha Geetam Gasyanti. Meaning some female singers will sing. Kaschit Gayikaha Geetam Gasyanti. Gasyanti is the future tense of Gasyati, Gasyataha, Gasyanti. Gai Shabda, this is the Dhatu Gai, Gayati. In the present tense, Srinivas, Gayati, Gayataha, Gayanti. 12, 13, Srinivas. Naike.
dash नायिके अभिनयं करिष्यन्ति.
No, Karishyataha. All of a sudden the sentence comes to Dvivachana here. Karishyataha is there, na?
केचित् नायिके.
Kechit, Kake. Kechit Naike, some two, Naike means heroines. Some two heroines will dance. Kechit Naike Nrutyam Karishyatah. Watch the verb here. Karishyati, Karishyatah, Karishyanti, Dvivachana, and therefore Naika Shabda, which is Akaranta Strilinga, put in Dvivachana, Naika, Naike, and therefore the indefinite chit used with kim Shabda is Kechit Naike. Some two female, some two heroines, Nrutyam, what is that? Abhinayam, no, I'm sorry, Geetama. Abhinayam Karishyatah will act. Some two heroines will act. 14 Srinivas. Dash.
Samskrita patrikaah bhavantah pathantu.
That means you read some Sanskrit newspapers. That's some here. Samskrita Patrika Shabda is Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. And what do you think Patrikaah is Prathama Dvitiya here? Dvitiya, it's very good. Samskrita Patrika, Patrike, Patrikaah Prathama. In Dvitiya, Patrikam, Patrike, Patrikaah. Any Akaranta Strilinga Shabda will be same in Prathama Bahuvachana and Dvitiya Bahuvachana. Samskrita Patrikaah. So we get the pronoun here. Kaah chit, kaschit Samskrita Patrikaah bhavantah pathantu. You please read some Sanskrit newspapers. 15.
Dash sevikayi puraskaraah datavyaah.
Here Samskrita Patrika, I am saying newspaper, it may not be newspaper, some magazine also. Because, no, the Sanskrit papers are not there now. There used to be one, there used to be only one paper, I don't know whether it is coming or not. Single paper used to come. But magazines are many. Chandamama is there, so many magazines are there. In North India and South India. Yes, you know.
Kasyaichit sevikayi.
Kasyaichit. Yes, Kasyaichit sevikayai puraskaraah datavyaah. So, sevika is Strilinga Shabda here. So, I have done very rightly. Sevika Shabda is Strilinga. Therefore, Kasyaichit sevikayai puraskaraah datavyaah. Meaning, for some, sevika means social worker, lady social worker. For some social lady worker, puraskara, awards must be given. Datavya. Okay, meaning part is not that good. Okay. 16. Usage means. Bring flowers of some creeper. So of some we have to take. Latayaha shashti. So kasyaha chit, kasyas chit latayaha pushpani anaya. Bring the flowers of some creeper. So the answer for 16 is kasyas chit, kasyaha plus chit, kasyas chit. 17.
Dash kathayaha saram murta. Kaschit kathaya.
No, same way. Kasyas chit only. See, latayaha is Strilinga. Kathayaha similarly is Strilinga Shashti. Kasyas chit kathayaha saram vadatu. Sentence means, tell me, speak out the essence of some story. Speak out the essence of some story. And the next one?
Dash sthanat vastuni anitavan.
I have brought the things from some place. Sthanat. Kasmat chit. Kasmat chit. Srinivas. Sthanat. You can also use why only kasmat chit here. Kutaschit sthanat also you can use. Srinivas, pay attention here for a while. Kutaschit also can be used here. Kutaschit sthanat. More appropriate is this. Kasmat chit. Kasmat chit sandhi takes place. Kasmat chit. Kutaschit both are same. Kutaschit sthanat. But this clause sounds more. Kasmachit sthanat vastuni anitavan. I have brought the things from some place. Aham is understood. Aham kasmachit sthanat vastuni anitavan. Okay, 19. Pramanaihi trutiya bahuvachana. Etat siddham. This is proved by some proofs. Pramana means evidences. This is proved by some evidences. So kaihi chit, kaischit pramanaihi etat siddham. This is, yes, and the last one. At last a Sanskritic word. Kahachit, kaschit vidyarthinaha, vidyarthinyaha, sorry, vidyarthinyaha. Some girl students, here specifically, not vidyarthinaha, vidyarthinyaha, vidyarthini, vidyarthinyau, vidyarthinyaha. This is vidyarthini shabda, ikarantas goes like that. Kahachit, kaschit vidyarthinyaha. Some girl students, Samskritam vadanti, speak Sanskrit. Yesterday I told you, na, speaking is different, knowing Sanskrit is different in India. Speak Sanskrit movement is different, which is propagating only few, only to be conversant in day-to-day life. Srinivas. So here I go to write, you have to tell me. We'll finish this exercise also. Abhyasa number 250.
Dash Balikaya Uttarani Likitami Ayachit Balikaya dash yatri trichakrikaya agacchati
Kaschit. Three.
dash vruddhaye bhojanam datavyam kasyaichit vruddhaye
Kasyaichit bhojanam datavyam. Okay, 4.
dash nadyam tirthayatrinah snanti
Kasyam nadyam Tirthayatrinah
snanti.
Okay, snanti. 5.
dash abhinetuhu abhinayam pashyamah
Kasyachit. Abhinayam pashyama. Right. 6.
dash pustakam padhatu bhavati kinchit
Kimchit pustakam patatu bhavati. 7.
dash chhatram atra ahvaya
Kamchit. 8.
dash aranyeषु chandana taravah bhavanti
Keshuchit.
ninth डैश छात्राभिः नृत्यं प्रदर्शयते
छात्राभिः काभिश्चित्
काभिश्चित् छात्राभिः डैश कलाशालासु संस्कृतं पाठ्यते कासु कलाशालासु
कासुचित् पाठ्यते यस सॉरी
डैश कांता गृहे वसति
काचित्
कांता
12
डैश गायिकाः गीतं गास्यन्ति
काश्चन काश्चन काश्चित्
गायिकाः डैश नायिके अभिनयं करिष्यतः
केचित्
केचित् 14 डैश संस्कृतपत्रिकाः भवन्तः पठन्तु काश्चित्
चित्
15 डैश सेविकायै पुरस्काराः दातव्याः कस्यैचित्
सेविकायै
16
how many are there
20
oh
डैश लतायाः पुष्पाणि आनय
कस्याश्चित्
डैश कथायाः सारं वदतु कस्याश्चित्
सेम
डैश स्थानात् वस्तूनि आनीतवान् कस्माच्चित्
कस्माश्चित् yes 19
डैश प्रमाणैः एतत् सिद्धं कैश्चित् प्रमाणैः
20
डैश विद्यार्थिन्यः संस्कृतं वदन्ति काश्चित् विद्यार्थिन्यः
any mistake just see writing कयाचित् कश्चित् कस्यैचित् कस्यामचित् कस्यचित् किंचित् कमचित् केषुचित् काभिश्चित् कासुचित् काचित्
कासुचित्
12 is what
कासुचित् is the smallest
no काश्चित् only गायिकाः correct only काश्चित्
कासुचित्
oh overwriting
next काचित् काश्चित् केचित् काश्चित् कस्यैचित् कस्याश्चित् कस्याश्चित् कस्माच्चित् कैश्चित् काश्चित्
okay na काश्चित् here also केचित् काश्चित् कस्याश्चित् the stroke has gone so एवं 50 उत्तरद्विशततमः अभ्यासः अपि समाप्तः कति निमेषाः शेषाः 5 निमेषाः 5 निमेषेषु एकः लघुः अभ्यासः अस्ति अत्र एक पंचाशदुत्तरद्विशततमः अभ्यासः लघुः अस्ति। एतं लघुम् अभ्यासं वयम् इदानीं कुर्मः। सो मंजूषातः पदानि गृहीत्वा picking up the words from the manjusha, the box. Yathochitam riktam sthanam purayata, as usual, fill in the blanks. Okay. Very simple. Atra sapta eva vakyani santi. Sapta vakyeshu purnam karaniyam. Manjushatah. Manjushayam kati padani santi tatra uttarani. Kaschit, kachit, kimchit. So you pick the right one. Yatha udaharanam. Kaschit balakah Agamishyati. Some boy will come. 1.
Kaschit vruddhaha
Upadekshyati. Some old man will give piece of advice. Upadekshyati, will lecture, will give advice. Kaschit, same kaschit vruddhaha upadekshyati. 3. Kaschit, again kaschit adhyapakaha pate. Some teacher will teach. Although the verb pathayati is present tense, we can convenience sake translate into future tense. Kaschit adhyapaka, some teacher teaches or will teach. 3.
Kachit balika.
That's it. You can't use kaschit now because balika. Kachit balika kridati. Some girl is playing. 4.
Kachit yuvatihi nrutyati.
Very good. Kachit yuvatihi nrutyati. Some young lady is dancing. Kachit yuvatihi. Kasa yuvatihi. Na bhavan janati. Na aham janami. Vayam na janimah. So kachit yuvatihi nrutyati. 5. No, again kachit. Kachit naika abhinedi. Some heroine is acting. Some star is acting. 6.
Kinchit phalam patati.
Kinchit phalam patati. Here phalam is napumsaka. Therefore kinchit. No more. You can't use kamchit or kaschit kachit. Kimchit phalam patati. 7. Kinchit vastu asti. Vastu also napumsaka. Kinchit. Very simple. I will rapidly do once again. Kaschana vruddhaha. 1. Answer is upadekshyati. Second also kaschana adhyapakaha patayati. 3. Kachit balika kridati. 4. Kachit, again kachit yuvatihi nrutyati. 5. Again kachit naika abhinayati. 6 and 7 are napumsakas. Kinchit phalam, kinchit vastu asti. This is a very simple, atyanta saralah abhyasah ayam. Idanim krutah. Agre gantum shakyate. Agrimam abhyasam. Dvi panchashaduttara vishatatamaha abhyasah api laguhu iti manye. Manjushatah padani gruhitva, picking up the words from the box given there. Yathochitam riktam sthanam, fill in the blanks.
Kaschit balakaha roditi.
Yeah. Some boy is crying. Kaschit balakaha roditi. Rodanam karoti. Roditi nama rodanam karoti. 1.
Kauchit vruddhau tatra vartalapam kurtaha.
So you pick up vruddhau is prathama dvivachana. Vruddhaha, vruddhau, vruddhaha. 2 old men. Some 2 old men tatra there. Vartalapam kurtaha are conversing. 2 old people are conversing there, chit-chatting there. So what do you said? Kauchit. Kauchit. The one which is given in the box is can show with the cursor. 4th one. Kauchit. 2.
Kaschit yuvakaha kridangane kridanti.
Why kaschit, Srinivas? Kechit. Yuvakaha. Pullinga. So in the box it is 6th one. Kechit. केचित् युवकाः क्रीडाङ्गणे क्रीडन्ति. Some young boys are playing in the ground. क्रीडाङ्गणे, playground. 3.
काचित् लेखिका
Yes.
पुस्तकं
प्राप्तवती. Some writer has got the book. Some female writer. काचित् लेखिका. 4.
केचित् बालिके पठतः.
Now balike is dvivachana, therefore kechit balike pathatah. Some 2 girls are reading. Kechit balike pathatah. If you make it more meaningful, kechit balike samskritam pathatah. Some 2 girls are studying Sanskrit. 5.
काश्चित् तरुण्यः भोजनालये
Bhojanam
पचन्ति.
Some women are cooking food in the kitchen. So here kaschit, which one is that? 8th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th one. The 7th one in the box. Kaschit tarunyah, young women, bhojanalaye, in the kitchen, bhojanam pachanti, are cooking food. 6. Gantavyam. Yanena gantavyam. No one? Yeah, that is not given here. So we will supply here. Kenachit yanena gantavyam. One more should have been given in the box. Kenachit yanena. By some vehicle we must go. Kenachit is not given. We will write. Yes, 7.
केचित् पुस्तके
Atrastah. Yes. Kechit pustake atrastah. This is the 6th one. Kechit pustak. Some 2 books are here. Means kechit pustake, some 2 books atrastah are here. 8th.
कानिचित् पत्राणि पतितानि.
Last one answer. Kanichit patrani patitani. Some leaves have fallen. 9. Karyam. Kinchit.
कार्यं करोति.
So 3rd one, kinchit karyam karoti. He is doing some work. And 10th one,
कश्चित्
atitihi agachati. Kaschit atitihi agachati. Some guest is coming. Some guest is adya kaschit atitihi agachati. We will write these answers, not necessarily, only one need to be written. Samaya samapta?
Yes, sir.
Shubham bhuyat.